Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I might be pushing Buzz to rank maybe rank 15, or no, I'm gonna push him probably today to rank 20. So let me just begin. I'm gonna try to push him to rank 20 today. I just really want to push him to rank 20, so like I can just like get some star points too. Cause maybe I might get this today. Wait, I might get this the Mega Box, but maybe not, probably not, but maybe. So I'm just gonna grind Buzz for rank 20 maybe today, or I might make him higher because I really want to finish. I want to get every single one of the. I really want to get all the star points, so I'm gonna push him up as much as I can today inside the video. All right, so let's begin. And guys, I will be doing like every single 15 minutes. I'm gonna probably end the video because like when I want to record, it says like the limit I can record for is only 15 minutes. So I'm gonna be probably only recording for 15 minutes. I don't know why. Sorry guys, but I will have to because I can't record more. It just won't like let me. So let's just get the boxes, guys. Now let's see. Let's fight Buzz versus Buzz. Buzzbos. We're gonna be Buzzbos. I don't like this dude. Done. Who am I gonna be beating? I really want to fight the Buzz versus Buzz. So guys, this video might only be 15 minutes, and I will record another video. Alright, let's see. Is that a El Primo's? That's a net Primo. Oh dang it! No. Okay, I still got 6th place. Nice push. Alright, let's see how much trophies now I need with him. Got 276 with this guy. I'm gonna get this one. I'll reach 300 trophies. I'm kind of close to it. And I'll use my gadget. Let's go. Oh, wait, let me just see the trophy road. Let me just see what I want to make. Let's see what I'll get. Oh, I'm very close to getting Bo. I really want to get Bo. Alright, and I really want to get the juicy coins. And I really also want to get the star points so I can power up Buzz to like to level power level 8, then I'll make him power level 9. Cuz like if I get him to power level 9, it's gonna be like I'm gonna be able to get him like kind of like it's gonna look very nice. Like it's gonna look like something like it's gonna look like if I get him to level 9, it's gonna look like I got him maxed out, but I don't have him all the gadgets and all of the star powers. But it's just gonna look like maxed out, but it's gonna be like yellow, but it won't be maxed out. But I'm gonna get him maxed out. I'm just gonna unlock a lot of boxes, like the mega box I'm gonna get from the star shop today, and I'll probably want to get a gadget or maybe a brawler, because my luck is sometimes good, my luck is sometimes trash, mostly trash, but we're gonna see. It's mostly garbage, but let's see. You always gotta give everything a chance, so I will give this thing a chance. Alright, but I only got 1 trophy or 2 trophies. Oh, I got Z. Alright. Vocation. Alright, so I'm just gonna play. And guys, tell me if you guys like reading the tips. I like reading the tips. Like it says, I kind of like reading the tips because they're kind of interesting, but not really. I am waiting for my duty to get my amber. You know what I mean? My amber, because I really want amber. That my duty is to wait for till I get amber. Dang it! This is Murdiza. I lost against only like this guy only had like 630. Are you kidding? Oh my god, this guy went inside the wrong trap. Oh, I'm going against now kind of sweaty people. Oh, I don't know what I even did, but alright. I hope I win. Alright, let's go. Let's just get this guy out of here. I'm gonna just charge up my super already. So, alright, I'll probably have to use it on the... Why did I use it? No, that was by accident. I did that by accident. That was dumb. I was being dumb, bro. Alright, now there... Yeah, la 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 la, Luke. Luke. I'm Luke. Dang it! I wanna kill Sokka. Oh, I really wanna get rank 15 already. Going against sweaty people. Kind of sweaty people already. Like, this is so, like, I don't know why, but this is, like, so unfair that I have to go against these people. Alright, come on. Yeah, finally. Alright. Alright. So, guys, comment down below, if you guys, did you guys finish the bus quest? I mean, no, did you guys get the bus thing? Oh, I forgot to use my super. Well, guys, comment down below if you guys finished if you guys passed, like, this. What's it called again? Oh, but, the buzz, like, what's it called again? Oh, it's gone. Like, what's it called? We have the thing for Buzz, like, if you win, I mean, no, the Griff thing. Like, the Griff challenge, if you guys win. I'm gonna go try Griff. See if he's here. What? Griff isn't here. My friend said that when the Griff challenge is over, it's gonna come. Where is Griff? He should be inside the epic section, right? Or no? Not Nani. Yeah, because he's epic. He's gonna be an epic. But where is he? I don't have him. Let me. Isn't the bus? Um, isn't the Griff challenge is gone? What? That is a very strange coincidence. What am I playing? Wait, I'm gonna play a knockout. But guys, comment down below which knockout map do you guys like more? Like, there's one that's like it's kind of like the old version, and then there's a new version. Oh, I like the old version more because the old version is nicer. I don't really like the new version. All right, Babar Spy. Go spaces. No, I died against the Cole. That was only at 892 health. Like, are you kidding me? Are they killed their Poco? Now they gotta go kill the Cole. Come on, Cole. Cole is dead today inside our street kills. Wow, good job. Oh, that El Primo is actually pretty good. Primo. They killed a Buzz. Now I'm gonna kill them. You guys don't want to find out what you guys will be. Probably. Let's go. I'm gonna play again. Because I also like how when Griff, I'm pretty sure. I mean no, I mean Buzz, when he like puts his when he puts his nose I mean when he puts his hand inside his nose, he just bites it off. And no, he doesn't do that. He also does like he also just picks his nose and eats it. And he just picks his nose. It's very gross. Very gross. Griff. I mean no. I keep mixing up with Griff and Buzz. Like why? But why? Like what? Right now we gotta go take out a Bull, El Primo, and a Dynamite when we have everything. No, we have the El Primo and we do have the but we don't all. Are you kidding me? I gotta kill a Dynamite and a my God, this thing is so unfair. I already died against a ball. I'm trash at using it's not that I'm trash at using Buzz, it's just I'm on computer and it's way harder. It's kind of hard on computer. So, alright, already. No, what did I do? I don't even know how I never pressed it. Screw me, I'm dead. Are you kidding me? I hate when he does. Done. This guy has to kill. Yeah, this guy's dead. This guy's dead. This guy's trapped already. He has to kill the Dynamite and the Primo, bro. He's dead. You dead, bro. Like that? No. Dude, you lost me 3 trophies, my guy. That is so expensive. Basketball. I love playing basketball. It's my favorite. Guys, comment down below. What is your favorite game, like out of the volleyball, basketball, like the trophy thief thing, or the hold the trophy? Which one's like your favorite? My favorite one is gonna be basketball. That's why I'm playing it, and it's the only one that's there, and it's my favorite. I was literally waiting for it for so long, and now it's finally back because it was here once, but this is the second time it's here, so I'm so happy. It came back because it was my favorite game of all of them. This is so fun. It's way too fun. Dude, this guy gotta go. You know what I mean? My God, I'm lagging too much, brother. I'm lagging. Oh, I hate Aaron. Like, someone has to protect this. Come on, Shelly. And right when I look away, they score. Kidding me, my team is trash. Why do I have trash teammates? I don't know. Done. Easy. 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 Easy, easy peasy lemon mama squeezy. Nice one. Anderson scored a 3-pointer, which is better than both of your faces. Baldazors, but yeah. No, it's called Baldazors. Baldazors. Oh my God, that guy sucks. That guy sucks. They're gonna score. No, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. They have one more point than us. We gotta, dude. This guy gotta go, brother. This guy gotta go. Done. 4-1-9. Straight threes, bro. Let's go. I like basketball. Oh, I'm very close to pushing him up to rank 15. Let's go. Alright guys, so that will be it for the video. And guys, I will see you guys inside the next video, which I will be uploading in like after this video. So guys, I will be uploading another video soon. So guys, thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe, like, and turn on all notifications. And I'll see you guys inside the next video.